Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a AutoCAD tutorial series in English, and that is its lesson 4, and already we have completed 3 lessons. And in our first lesson I have shown you that how we'll download and install that AutoCAD, and in a second lesson I have in second and third lesson I have discussed about some different tools of AutoCAD. And in this tutorial, in this lesson, in a lesson 4, I will discuss about pan, ortho mode, trim, extend, zoom, enter. Okay, so if you're new here, you can watch our previous video, and also that channel are only for civil engineer, so you can watch the civil engineering related video from our channel. So let's start. First of all, I'll open our AutoCAD. So from here, first of all, I have to show about pan. So what is pan? Pan means if we need to move that windows or left or right or any direction, so for that you have to press the scroll button of your mouse. Scrolling button of your mouse. So just press a scrolling button the middle button, the scrolling button of your mouse, and then move it according to requirement at which direction you want to move that. And one thing here is a directional things. So if suppose okay, this is directional things. And if we want to just suppose that if we move our model, if I click here, and if I suppose I am when I move, when I will zoom in, zoom out, or when I move, then the directional symbol also will be moved. So we can do that. Just click here, then right click, then use the icon setting, then show use icon origin here. It will not move at now. Okay, so after that so in this way you can use your pen. So now after that I will show you about our trim. So what is trim, or what is before seeing show you trim, I'll show you about ortho mode. Suppose this is a line. This is a line for 10 feet. Okay, so this is a line for 10 feet. This is a 10 feet line. And how will give the 10 feet? So from select that point and go any direction. Here you're seeing that it's showing 6 feet 1.9 inch. So you have to give here first of all 10, and from your keyboard you have to give here the feet sign here like that. Okay, so you'll found it around beside enter button, then press enter. Okay, so like that. And after that, if you want to, now we'll use ortho mode. So what is ortho mode? Ortho mode means suppose you have a line here, you need a line like that, a line along a certain distance. So by using ortho mode you can do that. So for that you can use here offset, sorry, not ortho mode, offset. So this is the offset, and the ortho mode is here. This is, you will found a line like that in the bottom. So from here you can, if you click here, then when you will draw a line, it will go directly straight like that. You can draw line like inclined, so it will go in like that direction. Okay, so in that direction you can draw line, directly perpendicular to another line. So I will, if you click here, it will be off, then you can draw line in any direction like that. Again press escape, but by pressing F8 you can on and off the command ortho command. So after that, now I will show you about offset. So from here, this is the offset. Suppose you need to draw a line, so you can use offset mode. Now suppose I will draw a line like that at 10 inch distance. So for that, click that offset, then it's showing offset, specify offset distance. Suppose I will give 10 inch, then press enter, then select object to offset, select that and move your mouse at which side you want to draw your offset. So I want to draw offset in right side, then I will move mouse right side. But if you need to draw offset at left side, you have to move the mouse left side, and just you have to click, just click one click, then move. Okay, first of all, one click, then release your mouse, then just move like that. So just one click like that, just one click like that. So you can use your offset command like that. Okay, so after that, if you want to, suppose if I draw here, sorry, if I use ortho mode, so if I draw some line here, suppose they have some line and I need to cut some line from here. From here I need to cut some line. For that you have to use that trim, TRIM, trim option. So if you click here trim, then it, after selecting trim, you have to press enter. Sorry, I have forgot something. Then you can use offset mode by clicking O. When you press O after enter, you can run your offset mode except pressing here. So escape. So for trim, click here trim, you can click here, or also you can click TR, then enter. Okay, now after enter, select object or all object, but after on enter you have to press another enter. Okay, select object to trim or shift select to extend. So suppose now I need to offset line from that point to that point, so I will click here, so like that. Now suppose I need to cut the line from that point to that point, I will click here. Okay, I will click here like that. So I will click here. Okay, I will click here like that. I can cut any line according to my requirement. Okay, you can, sorry, you can cut that line, but here is the one thing, you can cut every line. Okay, you cannot cut every line, because you cannot cut that line, you cannot cut that line, you cannot cut that line, but you can cut that line. Okay, again you cannot cut that line. Why? When this is the one line and they have no divide or they have no division. Suppose from that line, now you can cut that line, but if you cut that line, you will be unable to cut that line, because when they have no here, this line is divided by another line, so you can cut any other line, suppose here. But if you try to cut that line, it is impossible. That line also impossible, but you can cut that line. Sorry. Oh, this is also a one line, that's why we can cut the line. That's why we are able to cut a line. So you can click here and you can also cut that line, but if you click here, it will be also, but if you click here, that's impossible. Okay, so for the trim, this is the limitation. I think it's clear to you. And for here you can cut, here also you can cut, but you can cut that. So to delete that, press escape, then select, then delete. Like that you have to cut that. I think it's okay. Now suppose this is a line, this is a line and you need to extend that. So how will extend that? So for that you have to press here extend, then click here. Sorry, after selecting the extend command, you have to press enter, then click here. Okay, it's have been extend, and you can also click here. It's also have been extend. It's have been extend. It's extend. Okay, like that. So you can, if you click here, it's extend. If you click here, it's also extend. Like that, you are. If you click here, it's also extend. It's also extend. If you can click here, it's also extend. Here, here, here. Like that. If you also want to extend that, click here, extend, click here, extend, again click here, extend, click here, extend, click here, extend, click here, extend. So like that way. Also click here, also click here. So like that way you can extend the line by using that command. Now suppose you have work here, you have done many work here, but you need to show your all work in that one windows. That's time you have to press Z enter A double L all enter. You are showing that here is your wall work. Again just zoom it. Now I want to show my wall work here in on windows, then Z enter all enter. Okay, here is your wall work. Like that you can use that zoom enter all enter command. So thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next video, and you can watch the different type of software video and also different related video in this channel. So thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next video.